Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, today our topic is exercise 2.2 question number 9. Today our lecture number 12, HW number 11. HW number 11 and lecture number 12. Let's now start the class. Look, the buying price of 8 amloki is taka 5. If 6 amloki is sold at taka 5, what is the percentage of profit or loss? This is the question. Okay, but we have to need some basic discussion for this. Suppose, what is cost price, what is profit, okay, like this way, what is selling price. Look, suppose you buy a pen is 5 taka. That means this is your cost price. Cost price. Okay? You buy a pen with 5 taka and selling this pen, selling price is 7 taka. Okay? You see here cost price is smaller but selling price is bigger. So there will be profit. You write profit. Profit equal to what? Selling price minus cost price. That means when profit, selling price is more than the cost price. Okay? But suppose again another thing, when you buy a pen with 5 taka but sell this pen is 2 taka. Look, when cost price is 5 taka but selling price is 3 taka. You see here selling price is less than the cost price. Okay, in this case there will be loss. That means we say loss equal to cost price minus selling price, right? Cost price minus selling price. Okay, that means this is the formula and this is the formula. Okay, look, that means profit equal to selling price minus cost price, and when loss, then that loss formula is cost price minus selling price. Okay, remember, profit or loss should be calculated always on the cost price. Profit or loss always should be calculated on the cost price. Okay, remember it. Dear student, do you know what is cost price? The purchasing price of anything is called the cost price. And what is selling price? What is the selling price? Do you know? The selling price of that thing is called selling price. Okay? Now look. Now I will solve the question. Question number 9. The buying price of 8 amloki is taka 5. That means buying price, that means what? Buying price, that means your cost price. Okay? Now write the cost price of, the cost price of 8 amloki is taka 5. Okay, the cost price of 8 amloki is taka 5. Therefore the cost price of 1 amloki is less amount, that means what? 5 by 8 taka. Okay, this is the cost price. Look, now if the 6 amlaki is sold at taka 5, now write the selling price of 6 amlaki is taka 5. Okay, therefore selling price of 1 amlaki is less amount, that means division 5 by 6 taka. Dear student, look carefully. Selling price of 6 amlaki is 5 taka. Look, 6 amlaki is 5 taka. But cost price of 8 amlaki is 5 taka. So you can easily understand that there will be profit, because selling price of 6 amlaki is 5 taka and cost price 8 amlaki is 5 taka. So we can say that there will be profit. Now write, as 5 by 6 greater than 5 by 8. Okay, therefore this is the profit. As selling price is more than the cost price, so this is the profit. Therefore you write, do you know what is the formula of profit? Profit equal to what? Profit equal to selling price minus cost price, right? Selling price minus cost price. Selling price minus cost price. Look, here selling price is 5 by 6 taka, right here 5 by 6 taka, and the cost price 5 by 8 taka. Okay, right here taka. Okay, now do LCM of 6 and 8. Do rough here 6 and 8. Do LCM 2, 3, 4. Okay, therefore the LCM of 6 and 8 is 2, 3 and 4. This is equal to what? 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Right here 24. Now you divide 24 by 6, then you get 5. You divide 24 by 6, then you get what? 4. And multiply with 5, then you get 20. Minus. Again you divide 24 by 8, then you get 3. And multiply with 3. And multiply with 5. Okay? I repeat again, you divide 24 by 8. Like this way, you divide 24 by 8, then you get 3. Then multiply this 3 to 5. That means 15. Okay, right here 15. This is the taka or short form TK. Okay, now subtract 20 minus 15. This is equal to what? 5 by 24 taka. Yes, I hope you understood up to this. Now look, I told you profit or loss, that is no problem. Profit or loss should be calculated on the basis of the cost price. Okay, look here, cost price is 5 by 8 taka. Okay, 5 by 8 taka. Dear student, you don't give this line. I have given you for your understanding. Don't give this. Therefore, this is the cost price. Cost price is 5 by 8 taka. Okay, now write in 5 by 8 taka, the profit In 5/8 taka, the profit is 5/24 taka. Yes. Therefore, in 1 taka, the profit is less, that means what? Division. Then 5/24 division 5/8. 5/8. Okay, and give dot dot. Therefore, what is the question? Our question is, what is the percentage of profit or loss? That means you have to determine profit or loss here in percentage. That means, therefore we can write in 100 taka the profit is more amount. That means multiplication, right? 5/24 5/80 into 100. Okay, now we simplify this. 5/24 8, this is reciprocal by 5 into 100. Okay, this is 5, this is 5, you cut this. Similarly, this is 8, you divide this by 8, then you get 1, you divide this by 8, then you get 3. Then we get what? Then we get 100 by 3. Okay, then we get 100 by 3. Look, now here 100 by 3, this is equal to what? Look, 100 by 3, this is equal to 33 1/3. Okay, you can show rough also like this way. Look, 3 3s are 9, 1 0, 3 3s are 9. Okay, that means we got 33 1/3. Okay, what is the question? Our question is, what is the percentage of profit? Therefore you write, therefore the required percentage, the required percentage, not percentage, the required profit, the required profit is 33 1/3%. Why I have given the percent? Why? Because I have determined the result out of 100, that means in percentage form. So I have given here the required profit is 33 1/3%. Dear student, hope you understood our discussion. Now come to the point. This is our SW number 11, exercise 2.2, question number 9 and page number 36. Okay, page number 36, question number 9. This is your Hossain SW. Dear student, your Hossain SW is very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your SW copy, you will get your city marks, diary marks and SBA marks. You have to submit SW copies on every Sunday within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the school library, and you have to collect these SW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can collect or submit these SW copies. Dear student, hope you understood today's discussion. Keep practicing more and more. Remember, practice makes a man perfect. So you practice. Dear student, no more today. See you again in another topic, in another chapter, in another class. Allah Hafiz.